If you're looking to mount a light bar on the roof of your truck and you're not sure what to do with the wiring, we have the solution for you right here. I'm Jared from Yota Expedition, and today we're going to take a look at the KC Highlights wire hider. The KC wire hider is the perfect addition to any vehicle with auxiliary lighting. It provides an easy and effective way to route and conceal wiring for your off-road lighting, making for a cleaner and more professional looking installation. One thing we love about the wire hider from KC is its versatility. It comes in one piece right here, and this can fit a wide range of vehicles in multiple locations. You could basically install this anywhere on the vehicle that you need to run or conceal wires. We have one installed on our 4Runner right here behind me. It runs right down the side of the windshield on our truck for mounting the Baja Designs light bar on our Sherpa roof rack. This is a very simple installation, but if you have any questions, we do have a section in our Sherpa roof rack video. Yeah. Oh, okay. This is a very simple installation, but if you have any questions or concerns, we do have a video where we install our Baja Designs light bar, and there's a section in there that covers how to install the KC wire hider as well. That video is linked down in the description for you. In the box from KC, you're gonna get 3¼ feet of their rubber extruded wire hider, along with enough 3M brand VHB tape to attach it to any surface that you want, and they also include an alcohol swab for cleaning the surface before you install this. Because KC does include the 3M VHB tape, you can be assured that this isn't gonna come off of the truck from normal wear and tear. Ours has been on our truck for quite some time now, and it's gone through multiple high pressure car washes, not to mention being completely covered in mud and muddy water and dirt and dust, and it's still attached to the vehicle with no issues. It's not going anywhere. Overall, the KC wire hider is going to be the go-to option for a versatile way to get a professional looking install for your auxiliary lights without breaking the bank. You can grab the KC wire hider and all your other lighting accessories for your rig at yotaexpedition.com. The link is down in the description where you can get one for yourself.